Where did my sandalies go? First time trying to use this new camera that I bought for vlogging. Hey dear. I want to show you guys the view. It was literally raining just a second ago. And it was like so foggy as well, and now it's like cleared up and really pretty. How gorgeous! We're heading to a market today. You like my outfit? I'm trying to get used to vlogging on this camera. I'll show you guys it. I wanted to film an unboxing, but like I brought it literally the day before we left, and then I wanted to use it, so I didn't really get to film a proper unboxing of this camera, but I will let you guys know what I think about it.
The other place is also
Watermelon smoothie.
ice set size is like big enough. Nothing's artificial. Hey guys, yeah. It's like stuck to your skin.
Same. It's really humid.
It's like curl.
I'm like glossed up.
Can you please give me one tissue? Oh my god, you got to go What are you?
What did you get?
So hot, so I got this raspberry juice.
Yep.
Very refreshing, very ice cold. And then I got these necklaces. There's like this cool star one, and it has like two different types of material. It's like a pearl, black pearl, and then chains.
Wow.
And then I got this simple one. I wanted a longer necklace, and I feel like this necklace is very thin, and I want something to show more.
Yeah.
So I got a thicker chain.
Cool. Oh, she found us.
Really cute cafe. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, this is cute too. Vibe story.
Vibe story.
Oh, Nani.
I brought a dress, and then I threw some stuff in my bag in here because my bag was getting really heavy. And I'm really hot.
Coffee and peach. That kind
Whoa.
of sounds good.
Coffee and lychee.
Or is it coffee?
Yeah.
We have coffee mixes already with milk, high tea, or
Coffee with lychee.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait, you want coffee for ice cream?
This is nice.
Do you like it?
What is it?
It's coffee lychee. It's like really light. I like it. It's like not heavy at all.
It's so good. It's not like a strong Americano.
Wait, I want to take a photo of me and my food.
I could skull this.
I'm gonna drink Thai milk tea
With coconut.
with coconut ice cream.
And this is the lychee coffee. Yummy. So
good. I actually really like mine. They gave me 2 scoops of coconut ice cream. And I think it's too coconutty. Yeah, now it's all mixed in.
Young có cái flowery thing ha, là nó có cái.
Ồ, Lucky Hồng chưa ăn tháng nữa.
Không lọ cái. How much? One.
Dad's getting a drink. Getting the Logan drink. So cute. I got my own one. I got my own one because it was yummy. This is really pretty. Look. There's like trees in the middle. Look at this, he's a little magic girl. So cute, I really want it, but it's like $100.
I want to take a picture.
Yeah. So cutie. Oh!
This one is so cute.
This one is really...
$100.
Can I see that one? Wow, so cute. She's so obsessed with this little La Bobo monster. She got a blind La Boo Boo monster, and she got some stickers. Look how cute these stickers are. And then I got a bunny lemon sticker.
Betty Boop next. Betty Boop. Betty Boop holding ketchup. Oh wait.
So hot.
Pretend you're looking.
Look at myself.
No, not looking at yourself. Pretend you're looking at the.
It's like Sailor Moon. Earrings?
But I have to get used to pointing at things. I keep overshooting it.
She got a whole coconut, and it's just the meat and the juice. How cool! Yum! That looks so good. Oh, it's all over her phone. Whoa, this is so... How do they even do this? I don't even know. They just skinned it. I know, like the whole thing. With the juice inside it. Cut the shell out around the meat. But this is even better than me scratching exactly. Oh my god. So cool. Let me take a photo of this. Wow. It started raining.
Let's go on the other side.
Okay. It's raining. We're trying to find our Grab.